I went down with Doyle, who was a great friend of mine. He was a nice golfer. We drove down to Augusta. It took us 3 days then. It was something in those days. On the Thursday and Friday, there were only 1,500 people on the course. Pretty classy people on their way home from wintering in Florida. We began doing that every year.
We went 50 in a row.
50 in a row?
He only went 49. Jack Lane and I went to the last one together. Jones had a bungalow on the 10th, off the 10th tee. There were 3 or 4 bungalows, and they used to invite the writers over. But you had to be a friend of Bobby, or else he had read some of your stuff and he wanted to see you. So Herb used to get to see him. They used to tell you when you could report, sort of. And Herb used to go there once a year and look forward to it so much, you know. He said it was terrific. Robert Tyre Jones.
I used to go up to see him the morning before the Masters. More and more people would join us going up the hill to Bob Jones. He knew everyone's name of writers who he'd barely met. He was in terrible shape. He was in great form. He had whatever great people have that enable them to do things that they shouldn't be able to do. Just being in his company was something. I'm not kidding. When you were finished there after staying 45 minutes or so, you would begin to walk back towards the clubhouse. You wouldn't say a word. You were just trying to adjust to being with Jones. And you'd walk maybe 200 yards without saying a word, and all of a sudden you stop and you both say, how does he do it? The impact on you is great. Nothing like that is, can't remember anything like that. He was a wonderful man. He wrote good letters. He was a good friend.
Seeing Bobby Jones play. He played the first or second year I was there, and that's the only year he played. Just seeing him, I think, was quite a thing.